Yeah, hi guys. Holy Lessons coming at your beautiful week with another amazing tutorial session coming your way. So I'm breaking down Cry Holy by Brent Jones. Really, really beautiful. It's a fast-paced song, small. So we'll get into some breakdown right away. So first we're in the key of B flat, okay, and then we simply go to our minor third. Okay, so we in the key of B flat we have our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, our 6, our 7, and our 1. Okay, so the concept of a minor third is simply our major third, okay, and then we move down a half step, so that's a minor third. So in this case, our minor third is simply, you can call it also the key of D flat major. So you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay, so minor third is a concept which really works with transpositions. Okay, and then so they simply transposed, okay, in the song, and then detransposed back to the key of B flat. Okay, so we'll get into, so we simply have the intro. So okay, so that's the whole intro. So it's very simple. So we start off on a 1, and we'll go to a 6, a 4, okay, and our minor third. Okay, so on the one is simply doing a major 7, a B flat major 7. So and then simply sliding it backwards. Okay, so we have the A, the B flat, the C, the D, and the F. Okay, over the 1. So on the left side I have the F, the B flat, the C, and the D. Okay, and it's simply okay. Okay, so from here we simply do a B flat major 7 on the left. So I have the F, the A, the B flat, and the D, and I'm simply maintaining the same thing on the right. And then from there we go to our 5 over the 4, or the major 7th, of course, still over the 4. So you realize on the left it's changing from here to here. So I have the E flat, the A, and the C, and then it changes, it resolves to a 4, okay, which is the G and the B flat. So okay, so from there we simply do